is self-study enough to crack these exams?
See, it depends from student to student. Like I've seen a lot of students who do not prepare for any exam thoroughly, like they do not join any coaching class. You know, they just refer to a couple of books here and there, prepare for a month, you know, casually, and they just in the first attempt they get a 720 on GMAT or 330 on GRE, because these students are naturally wired for these exams. Okay, but at the same time, these students do not form more than 4 to 5% of the student fraternity. Correct? 95% of the students जो होते हैं, they do require external help. And we always say that if books were enough, you know, then nobody would have joined coaching in 10th or 12th. आपने भी अगर जब coaching join की थी 10th 12th में, आपने जितने भी सब करते हैं, और आपने देखा होगा कि अगर आप वो coaching join नहीं करते थे तो आपके शायद उतने scores नहीं आते थे जितने आपके आए. तो we always say that, let's say in GMAT, if without coaching, if you have scored X, with coaching it will definitely be minimum X plus 60, X plus 70, for example. Correct? And at the same time, understand every extra exam attempt is going to cost you 28,000 rupees extra. Student जितना पैसा बचाने जाते हैं उससे डबल तो spend हो जाता है in terms of the examination fee, plus the time which gets wasted, deadline which get missed, वो तो अलग से. You know, and this score decides everything. Yeah, your admission, your scholarship, your the next, you know, your career path for the next 40 years. So this is the last place where someone would like to should ideally take chances. And for what? मतलब आपको अगर पैसे बचाने हैं तो लाइफ में आपको काफ़ी मौके मिलेंगे पैसे बचाने के लिए. इतना बड़ा रिस्क लेके कौन पैसे बचाता है? करेक्ट. एंड यू ऑल्सो टू अंडरस्टैंड एट द सेम टाइम दैट आप जो मास्टर्स और एमबीए कर रहे हो इंडिया अब्रॉड, दैट कॉस्ट इज 100 टाइम्स मोर देन दिस कॉस्ट.
करेक्ट.
तो अगर आपको ये कॉस्ट पिंच कर रहा है तो फिर आप वो कॉस्ट कैसे मैनेज करोगे? करेक्ट. तो यू नो हम हमेशा ये कहते हैं, वन ऑफ माय वेरी गुड काउंसलर फ्रेंड्स, वेरी टॉप नॉच काउंसलर, and he does admission into top colleges like Harvard, Stanford and all. तो वो हमेशा मुझे एक बात कह रहा है, हम जब बात करते हैं पर्सनल लेवल, तो एक लाइन में अगर आप समझ रहे हो तो he always tells me one thing, मतलब everyone wants to go to Harvard but free में. आपको हार्वर्ड जाना है लेकिन फ्री में, you know, so that will not work. That will not work. Yeah.